If you're looking to hire a DUI lawyer, what questions should you ask? You should ask them, how many cases have you handled? In other words, what percentage of your practice is devoted to DUI defense? Do you do other types of offenses? Do you do real estate closings and business contracts and those type things? Or do you focus on DUI defense? At the Complete Legal Defense team, that's all we do. We do DUI defense, we do criminal defense, we do federal criminal defense. We don't do any civil cases, so everybody in our firm is trained and has experience to handle that type of case. Additionally, we would recommend that you ask someone that you're getting ready to retain to represent you, how many trials have you had? In other words, not how many plea bargains have you done or how many cases have you handled, but how many trials have you had? How many actual DUI trials? Our lawyers, it's a requirement to work at our firm that you must have had a significant number of trials, and by trials we mean trials that went to a jury verdict. Our lawyers have tried dozens, hundreds of DUI cases. Recently, for whatever reason, the courts are not as aggressive about trying cases as they were in the past. But if your lawyer has tried DUI cases, then the prosecutors know it, and it's a very big advantage if they know that if it comes down to it, if push comes to shove, that your lawyer can not only try your case, but they're more likely to be successful and for you to be found not guilty. All plea bargaining, it comes from that. If the prosecution doesn't think that your attorney can go to court and go to trial and win the case, then often the plea bargain, the plea offered, the possibility of dismissal, whatever it's going to be, it's just not as good. And so it's very important. Have you tried DUI cases? What's your track record? And how many have you tried? We would suggest that you ask that question.